Kathyskutekreations. I got my package in the mail yesterday for the Ultimate Picnic Kit. And this is the backing fabric that I have, so it is the very first choice. And I'm going to see if I got a picture here to show you the other two choices. Hold on one second. So I took a picture of them. I'm going to show you my iPad here. That is one of the backings. I'm going to try to get really, really close for you guys. So that's one of your choices. There's your other choice. Hopefully all that glare is off of there. Let me turn that. Oh, I think that might be good enough for you to see it. But that's the download times. The dates and everything. Let me show you this fabric here. I know you all like to see it. I'll get the package open. I'm going to hold this up again in case you didn't see it. There's that. Make sure everybody can see all of it. And I'll have it down here on the table. And then this is the long arm. This is the person who will do the long arming for you if you'd like. You can call them up, email them, find out about the price and everything. Now you know y'all can make this bigger if you want to. So let me start out with the fabrics here. It's a real pretty red, and hopefully the camera's doing it justice. And then what I'm going to do is I'll lay it out here on the table after you get a really good look of it here. And I know that some are probably thinking, oh my gosh, red, white, and blue, it's going to be like a patriotic type. But that's not what these fabrics look like. And then this one matches the back that I have. This is pretty here. Blue with the white flowers, the white, they look like roses. Although I don't see any thorns on them. Here we go. Lots of different flowers. Now this is 5 weeks, and then week 6 is the assembly. But I want to let you know that week 3 and 4 are going to be the same. And when I say the same, it is because of the amount that needs to be made. It would be for those that aren't used to making a lot of half square triangles and things like that, they've broke it up so that it won't seem like it's so overwhelming. And I can do it any way I want. So I'm thinking about doing the half square triangles and then probably showing you the other part of it. Okay, instead of just showing you half of doing half square triangles and that's it, because you know there's different ways to make half square triangles. And I was thinking about getting some spare fabric out here to give you the different ways that you can do it, because I know that you guys are using some of you are using your own stash, so you won't have these fabrics. Now the Fort Worth Fabric Studios always gives you plenty of fabric. So you're not going to get shortchanged on any of this. So don't worry about that. And there's a white on white. But when I get into doing the video, I will explain it better, how I'm going to do it. Now they are going to go ahead and explain it on the Facebook. But for all of those that don't have Facebook, I'll explain it when I get started on it so that you got an idea of what I'm talking about. I mean, I can't give that much away. I just wanted to let you see all these fabrics. That was the main thing, because I have a few viewers that don't have Facebook. They aren't subscribed because they don't have any kind of channel or anything, but I don't want them to miss out either, because it wouldn't be fair for those that really don't have everything that everybody else has to not be able to enjoy this too, or to even come to sew along. So I do want to let you know that I have been sent an extra packet. So here's this packet here. So of course I want to do a giveaway. Now right now my post office is still working. My UPS, everybody's still working, so it's not like I can't send it out. I would like to go ahead and, if anybody's interested in this, make a comment below. You want it. Just tell me somehow that you want it. And I will do a tally up, and I will go ahead and do a video, and Megan will probably help me. That's my granddaughter. And we'll pick a winner, and I'll get it sent out as soon as I can, okay? So go ahead, tell me if you would like it. I'd be more than happy to send it to you. And we'll have the drawing later, okay? So I'll probably go ahead and give you a day to view this, because I have a lot of different viewers in different time zones. I have people that, although you're catching it right now, if you are in the on the East Coast and you're catching it now, those on the West Coast already saw this 3 hours ago. So they've already put in their I want it, or, you know, comment or whatever. So I want to give a chance for everybody to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and let this run all day. So after work tomorrow, when I come home, I will tally up all the names so that I can do a drawing, okay? Hopefully the person that wants it stays tuned to see the drawing so that I can get it sent out. I laid out the fabric so you have an idea what it looks like. It's not in any kind of order. I'm just laying it out here on the table so you can see it. And that's it. It starts in April, and I will see you guys the next video. Bye-bye. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching.